Home is the starting place of love, hope, and dreams. Home is where love resides and memories are created. And today, we are at one such beautiful home.
What's interesting about today's home tour is that over here, every room has been designed in a different theme. But still, all the colors that have been used blend so perfectly well without compromising on the comfort and storage as well. I'm Rukmini Saha from DesignCafe Homes and welcome to this beautiful home tour of Mr. Syed Waseem and Mrs. Sayyeda Sana at SNN Raj Grandeur, Bengaluru. Before we dive right in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from DesignCafe. From the very beginning itself, Waseem and Sana were very sure that they wanted a functional home with a dash of bling. Sana really feels that DesignCafe has helped to make their dream home become a reality. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link in the description below for a free design consultation and get your dream interiors done. Having a good foyer area is so important because the foyer area not only introduces your home's personality but also sets the tone of the rest of the house. The elegant false ceiling design and these decor shelves are designed so smartly that it is for sure going to give a stunning first impression. In fact, how can I forget to mention about this unique wall cladding which is done so perfectly and evokes such a welcoming vibe. I'm sure any guest who enters from here is going to just love it. Now here's a quick design hack for you guys. Always utilize the entire foyer area to add many elegant decor items over here because this area introduces the look and ambience of your entire house. Hit like if you also agree. This living room has some very trendy design elements over here. First of all, I have to mention about the wooden paneling that is being done here. It is because of this wooden paneling that the entire TV unit here looks so beautiful and spectacular. Most of the designers generally believe that it's the design of the TV unit that sets the style of your living room and gives you that additional storage which your home may need. This living room has been stacked with multi-layered false ceiling. Like Sana wanted a very luxurious feel for her living room and nothing better than layering your ceiling for that feeling of grandeur. It opens up new ways for experimenting with colors, textures as well as lighting. Waseem's dining area over here looks so spacious yet so beautiful because of the minimal design that is done here. What makes this crockery unit stand out is for sure these top cabinets which is done in tinted glass and a rose gold profile. Along with it, these bottom cabinets just enhances the look of this entire crockery unit, making it look more elegant and classy. This kitchen is a perfect example of a modern style acrylic kitchen. Don't worry, I'll explain that. Acrylic is a high quality synthetic, non-toxic plastic which is used specially for kitchen cabinets. Here the cabinets are in tinted glass in a rose gold profile, adding to the luxurious bling that the couple wanted in every corner of their house. Space-saving units like these and blind corners have been very smartly designed so that it overall blends with the design of the kitchen as well. After consulting with Sana and Waseem, our designer knew that the central design of this room had to be very unique as well as very comfortable because this is where they are going to spend maximum amount of time, be it with each other or with their family. Hence, this master bedroom has been designed in very contrasting colors like beige and blue that adds to the overall color scheme of this space. A highlighted back panel, LED strip light, the false ceiling, the beautiful curtains, the wardrobe and this storage bed, everything together enhances the look of this master bedroom, making it look so beautiful. should not be afraid to deviate from the design theme of the rest of the room and do something unique and different for the guest bedroom. The light textured paint used here, along with the soft sober colored curtains, all together enhances the overall look of this guest bedroom. And if you have some crazy ideas to add to our list, do let us know in the comments below. It's our responsibility to make your kids' bedroom feel like a dream come true. Sana's kids, they are Spider-Man fan, and this room had to be designed in Spider-Man theme. The color of the wardrobe here and the false ceiling design overall complements the entire design of this kids' bedroom. And special mention for this painting on the fan. It looks so good and so different that any kid would want to show it off. Now here's a quick design tip for you guys. When you're designing a kid's bedroom, always remember less is more. So keep the decor very simple and keep the furnishings to a minimum so that they have enough place to play around. It was such a treat to take you through this swanky dream home of Mr. Waseem and his family. We are so glad that they chose DesignCafe as their interior design partner and made us a part of this beautiful journey. Do let us know in the comments below which was your favorite design. My favorite for sure was the kids' bedroom. A Spider-Man themed bedroom, wasn't that like so cool? So if you also want a Spider-Man themed bedroom for your kids, then click on the link below for a free design consultation and get your dream home designed by us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from DesignCafe. I'm Rupini Saha signing off. See you soon in another beautiful episode of DesignCafe Homes.